remove with this screen. The laptop is perfectly fine. It looks like the owner pushed right here. There's like a little thing. It's kind of hard to see on the camera right there. So it's right here, and it looks like the owner put pressure on it, and now the screen is damaged. As you can see, there's like lines. The screen is not clear enough, so it's lines across. We are going to replace it. Um, what I normally do when I do this type of repairs, it's a 360 laptop. It converts a two-in-one, basically. It turns into a tablet. So what I normally do with this type of devices, I normally remove the parts to match the exact same um, screen. Otherwise, I might get um, in trouble. So as you can see, the lines are across. The text is not very readable. So we are going to replace it. This is a touchscreen laptop. We are shutting it down, and this is a Dell Inspiron P124G. So we're going to shut it down, make sure it's shut down to start working on it. So what I normally do, I just go here, and then we need to remove this bezel from here, this bottom one. Now you gotta be careful because sometimes these are very fragile. If you break them, you're gonna have to replace them. So this one has a little lift right here. So I normally just put a little bit of pressure right there with my nail, or you can also use like a little opening tool, just like so, and then just lift it like that. Okay, turn on. Sometimes these laptops turn on. As you can see, the lines are all over the screen. So I'm just shutting it down right there. And then we continue with this one right here. It's like finding a little gap with the nail and pushing forward. That way you have access to the connectors under. So it's that one. This one is right here. Just keep track of your pieces. And then same with this one. This one, see, that one was lift. Just like that. And then we remove it. That's how you remove the bezel on that one, or in this laptop. And now we're gonna have to remove these like double-sided tapes. These ones are holding the screen together into the back. So what we're gonna do is just grab it and pull it straight. If you are careful about it, you'll be able to use this one still. Make sure you lift. Go slowly. If you can use it again, it's great, because sometimes the screens don't come with this one, but you can also buy them. Just go like this, little by little. When you have a little bit there, grab it, let go, slowly, otherwise it shrinks. Grab it a little more, and then keep pulling slowly, just like so. So we have this one right here. You can still use it if you get them in good shape. Okay, put them on the side right now. Make sure they're in a good place so it doesn't get wrinkled. I just normally hand them. And there's the other one right here. Same thing, you just pull it. Right there. Grab it, hold it, and then pull backwards. Right there. So you have the whole piece together, just like so. You can see this one got stuck. Once that got stuck, sometimes it's kind of hard to get it up in shape, but here we have it. So I'm gonna use that one still. Probably I have some, but if you're doing it and you don't get the parts, now you know how to do it. Um, I'm not sure if I need to remove. I don't think I need to remove these screws right here because those are part of the hinges. So what I'm gonna do is just try to open and lift the screen. I just a little knife, a little blade to try to go in. Being careful about it. Always make sure to check in case you need to do more. I don't think we need to remove these screws, but just because I'm gonna remove this one. I think these ones at the end are holding the screen down. So keep track of your screws. I'm gonna put that one in there. See, that one is keeping the screen down. Always take your time and make sure to double check your work. So good. Light. That's too bright. Just like that. Alright, so we have this one right here. We leave it in there. And then now we are going to lift the screen slowly, giving a little wiggle, and the screen is out. You can see right here, with this one, the little thing is right here, so maybe the connector, I'm not sure. But these screens are 4K. Sometimes they're like super um, fragile. Okay, I'm gonna remove now this ribbon. Being careful about it. I'm gonna have to. I don't think the new one, the new screen is gonna come with this part right here. I don't think it's gonna come with this one right here, so I'm gonna have to replace it. All right, I'm gonna move this one this way. I'm just gonna check the connectors, maybe touch a little bit. I'm gonna power on the computer to see if by touching the connectors it makes any difference. Maybe it's just a bad connection. So basically what we have to replace, we want to have to replace, see there is all lines across. That's not good. See if I touch in here, anything changes? Nope. So it's gonna be an LCD issue. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I need to disconnect this one right here. Let me just shut it down. And since this screen is touch screen, it helps a little bit. There. Be careful about it. There's always a little tape right there holding the screen down. This one is for the webcam and face recognition. Slowly lifting it. Like so. I'm gonna lay it down and just lift these connectors slowly so you don't damage them. All right, put this one right here. We lift it, and there's like a little latch right here. We just go in. A little blade we get under, and then just lift it like that, and then we pull down to disconnect the screen. There we go. We have this one. This one is going to be all in one piece. So just remember how to put it back. This one has like a little latch right there. Just lift it up. We have this little opening tool. Just lift it like that, and then we pull it up. Okay, there's a little bit of plastic right here holding this thing down. It's like a double-sided tape. Okay, this one needs to be lifted. So this one comes, the whole thing comes up. Slowly lift it, just like so, and it's gonna come off. Just like that. Okay, now we are going to disconnect the one up here. Gotta be careful because that one is very thin. Have to remove it just like slowly, bring it backwards, wiggle in a little bit, don't be too rough. We just have to get in there, just like so. So now we have the camera, the webcam out. Make sure they're not to pull these cables. And here we have it. This is the screen. We want to look for these numbers to match the exact same. And when we have it, we should be able to replace the whole screen. Alright, oh, this little piece right here, this is the webcam cover. You gotta be careful not to lose it because maybe the new one is not coming with it. Alright, so this is it. This is a short video. I'm gonna order the parts. I'm gonna match. I'm gonna get the exact same part. And then when I get the part, I will continue with the replacements. So I'll make another video. Don't forget to follow so you don't miss that. My name is Jorge. I am from IT Evolution, downtown Appleton, Wisconsin. I do computer repair and mobile repair and gaming consoles repair.